Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed.
Here's your check. I'll take this whenever you're ready. You may have noticed that under the Margaritas logo it says that we're celebrating our 25th anniversary this year.
Wow, I had no idea you've been around that long.
Yes, our first restaurant was opened up in Concord, New Hampshire, and now we have 23 locations across the Northeast. And that's why we're celebrating with our Share Your Margaritas Memory contest.
Tell me more. Tell us more. Tell me more.
Okay, well you could either submit a short video or a photo with a 25-word caption on our Facebook page, and you could win a trip to the Mayan ruins. We're also giving away a handmade tile table and chairs and a Margaritas gift certificate for second and third place. Also, any video or photo that gets 25 or more likes will be entered to win another $250 Margaritas gift certificate.
That sounds great.
Everybody has a favorite Margaritas memory to share, so just by sharing your memory with us, you could win a trip to Mexico, so it's a pretty good deal. And just check out our Facebook page for more details. You can scan that QR code right there, and it'll take you right to our Facebook page.
Are you doing anything else to celebrate?
Well, we'll be celebrating all year, so check out our website or join our Eat Club so you don't miss out on anything. Before I forget, did you have any reward cards to redeem tonight?
No, not today, thanks.
All right, well, I'll take this whenever you're ready. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm winning that trip to Mexico.
Yes, dear.
No, we're winning that trip to Mexico.
Nothing at all.
Share your Margaritas memory. Share your Margaritas memory. Okay. I'm sorry. All right. Here.
So lost to where.
Wow.
Also,
We want to know.